Recursion, solving problems one step at a time. Recursion is a programming technique in which a function calls itself to solve a problem. In other words, recursion is a process of solving a problem by breaking it down into smaller subproblems of the same type. In a recursive function, the function will call itself one or more times with different parameters until a stopping condition is met. This stopping condition is important to prevent the function from calling itself indefinitely, which can lead to a Stack Overflow error. Recursion is commonly used to solve problems that can be broken down into smaller subproblems of the same type. Examples of problems that can be solved using recursion include computing the factorial of a number, calculating the Fibonacci sequence, and traversing tree structures. While recursion can be a powerful technique, it can also be more difficult to understand and debug than other programming techniques. It's important to use recursion appropriately and understand its limitations to avoid errors and inefficiencies in your code. In this example, the factorial function takes an integer n as its parameter and returns the factorial of n using recursion. The base case is when n is 0, in which case the function returns 1. The recursive case is when n is greater than 0, in which case the function calls itself with n1 as the parameter and multiplies the result by n. Note that the function will continue to call itself recursively until the base case is reached, at which point the function will return the final result. If you found this video helpful in understanding recursion and its usage, I invite you to share your experiences with recursion in the comments section below. It's always interesting to hear from other programmers about how they have used recursion to solve problems in their own projects. Additionally, if you have any suggestions for related topics you would like to see covered in future videos, please feel free to share those as well. And if you want to stay up to date with my latest content, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for taking the time to read and learn about recursion.